tak dám na ozdobu celé saková.
You spend time with your family?
Sure I do.
Good. Because a man that doesn't spend time with his family can never be a real man.
You're my older brother, and I love you. But don't ever take sides with anyone against the family again.
Ží milión eur.
Ten druhý, ktorý je na tom, pán premiér, a ten, kurva, keď to s nami troma vyrieši, tak budeme do piči z toho veľmi nervózni.
Začnem sa venovať špeciálne vám, vašej osobe, vašej matke.
I never wanted this for you. I worked my whole life. I don't apologize to take care of my family. And I refused to be a fool, dancing on a string held by all those big shots. I don't apologize, that's my life, but I thought that when it was your time that you would be the one to hold the strings.
Je možné, kurva, že zajtra všetci traja sa nezobudíme a ja by som to veľmi nerád.